Kia Tina. Yeah, that'll be the one. Do you want to speak Te Reo Māori?
Yes.
Are you a little bit afraid you might get it wrong?
That's me.
And you want to work on your pronunciation?
Of course.
Well, hey, this is the video for you.
So, Hikawai, I want to go to this place almost every day. I want to go to the gym, get some gains. How do I say gym in Māori?
The gym in Te Reo Māori will break it up into 3 parts. Whare, whaka, pakari.
Whare, whaka, pakari.
Whare, whaka, pakari.
Whare, whaka, pakari.
Well done.
How do I say study, since we are both Auckland Uni students? We study a lot. How do we say study?
So study in Te Reo Māori is mahi kainga.
Mahi kainga.
Mahi meaning to work, kainga meaning house or home. So homework, housework, study, homework, same thing.
Okay, so we put in the mahi, we want to get some money. How do we say money?
Money in Te Reo Māori is pūtea.
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 We do the mahi kainga to hopefully get some pūtea.
Yeah.
Okay, how do I say I go to class? I go to class every day, attend lectures. How do I say class?
Class in Te Reo Māori is ako manga.
Ako manga.
Yes, ako manga.
Ako manga.
We go to university and attend our ako manga.
So, at the gym, we want to make gains, all type of gains. How do we say gains?
So, I guess if you want to talk about gains, whether it be in the gym, whether it be in any other aspect in life, you would probably just want to say kia tina.
Kia tina.
To give it your best. Kia tina.
So on the last rep, on the last set of your bench press, bro,
Yeah.
do you say
Kia tina. Yeah, that'll be the one.
So we put in a lot of work and we want to build some muscle. How do we say muscle?
Oh yes, so hey, we go to the gym, we do those games to build our muscle, to build our ua.
To build up ua.
Yeah, we go to the gym to get some more ua.
You've got a lot of ua, Hikawai.
Oh hey.
Say I meet a pretty female, she's very gorgeous. How would I describe her?
Oh yes, so if you see a beautiful lady walking past, you know, as we do, you'd probably want to say to your mate, man, she's really rerehua.
She's very rerehua.
Rerehua, that's the word.
There are a lot of rerehua females at Auckland Uni.
I agree.
We play sports. How do I say basketball, the sport we both love?
Oh, love that sport. So basketball, sport or sports? Nah, just kidding. But basketball in Te Reo Māori is poi tūkohu.
Poi tūkohu.
Poi tūkohu.
Poi tūkohu. Okay, let's go on to some basics now.
Okay.
How do I say food?
Food, easy one. Food is kai.
Kai. Water?
Similar to food, water is wai.
White. And then how do I say work?
So to work, to go and do something is mahi.
I put in the mahi every day.
That's right.
You do too, Hikawai.
We all do.
All types of kia tina.
Yeah.
Say I want to introduce myself in Māori. How would I do that? My name is Junius.
Cool, nice, easy structure. So for Te Reo Māori, you would say ko Junius tōku ingoa. As for me, I would say ko Hikawai tōku ingoa.
Ko Junius tōku ingoa.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Okay, now let's go on to some New Zealand place names to hopefully ace your pronunciation. How do we say Auckland in Māori?
The Māori name for Auckland is Tāmaki Makau Rau.
Tāmaki Makau Rau.
Tāmaki Makau Rau.
Tāmaki Makau Rau.
Well done, Junius.
Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Now, how do we say the capital city, Wellington?
Wellington, that's an easy one. Pōneke.
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 The windy city of Pōneke.
Okay, how do we say Palmerston North?
Palmerston North. The Māori name for Palmerston North is Te Papa Ioea.
Te Papa Ioia.
Te Papa Ioea.
Te Papa Ioia.
Well done. Te Papa Ioea.
How do we say Christchurch?
Christchurch, that's another one, is Ōtautahi.
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 Well done.
How about your hometown, Hikawai? How do I pronounce Rotorua properly?
Well, that was pretty good, my bro. But we can split it up into 2. Rotorua.
Rotorua.
Rotorua. The rolling of the tongue in that one for the R sounds, the roto and rua.
Ooh.
So I don't want to hear Rotorua anymore, my bro.
No.
But Rotorua.
That's the one. Okay, how do we say New Zealand in Māori?
Ah, right. New Zealand, the land of the long white clouds, a beautiful country. Aotearoa.
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 That's it, bro. That's it.
That's pretty much, I think, all the nouns we want to cover. I think we've did a decent job. Good job, Hikawai.
Good job, Junior.
Thank you.
Beautiful pronunciation.
Oh, thank you. I try my best. How do we say goodbye in Māori?
One of the easy farewells that you could commonly use is ka kite ano.
Ka kite ano.
We'll see you again.
We'll see you again. So thanks for watching, guys. Hikawai will link his Instagram and his Māori artwork Instagram in the bio, and we'll pop it up on the screen. Anything you'd like to say, Hikawai?
E te iwi to all of you who are watching. Have a good day and ka kite ano.
Ka kite ano.